This movie shows a few key parts of the assembly of an expert puzzle called Portville. Some parts are connected around the 62% completion mark, and when we zoom out, you can see the amount completed. As I'm sure you can appreciate, it takes a few play sessions to complete such a large puzzle. We'll do a pan around a full puzzle to show you the incredible amount of detail you can see in these expert puzzles. The Portville puzzle has a rich variety of deep color and detail, making assembly challenging, but fairly straightforward. Like a real jigsaw puzzle, it's good to place pieces of similar color and subject together on the board to help with assembly. Now we'll zoom out again, so you can see how far we've come. We are now very close to completion, just 5 pieces to go. The thumbpad makes it easy to scroll our view around the full puzzle. As this final zoom shows, we are nearly done. Here we are. The last 2 pieces. Let's post this to Facebook, so we can share it with our friends as well. We hope this has given you a good idea of the fun and challenge of these expert puzzles. Thank you for watching.